This video will demonstrate how to use the PRP Concepts Cascade Autologous Platelet System to fabricate a platelet-rich fibrin membrane from a patient's own living cells.
Okay, so simple enough. You have your tube connector and needle. You have a vial adapter, which will eventually connect to this tube. Then you have the transfer component. And lastly, you have the first things we start with are tubes for isolating PRP. Similarly, tourniquet for blood draw.
To obtain a patient's blood in the yellow tubes, perform a venipuncture following accepted blood collection guidelines. After drawing blood, the first step is to isolate PRP, which we do by loading our tubes into the centrifuge, selecting the yellow cycle, and pressing start. The Drucker centrifuge spins at 2500 RPM for the yellow cycle for 6 minutes. Once the yellow PRP isolation spin has been completed, remove the tubes from the centrifuge and invert 7 times to resuspend platelets within the plasma. Remove the Luer lock access device and vial adapter from their packaging and screw together to create the transfer device. Then place the transfer device vial adapter side down onto the PRFM bottle. Before transferring PRP to the PRFM bottle, invert the yellow tube 7 times to resuspend platelets. Then place the yellow tube into the transfer device stopper side down to transfer PRP. Repeat this step a second time for the second yellow PRP tube. Once all PRP has been transferred, remove the transfer device. Then invert the PRFM bottle 7 times to mix calcium chloride with PRP.
Okay, so now we have our PRFM bottle with the PRP within it. Place that within our centrifuge. Across from the centrifuge, we're going to load our counterbalance. Place our caps on top of our buckets. Close the lid. Turn the hatch. And then on the front, we're just going to make sure that the cycle is set to green. See pop up 25 minutes, and if you wait a second, it should alternate. Yep, green up there. So now we know we're good to go, and just press and lift the lid. Take off the caps. And you can see here at the bottom, a little hard to see, but a little bit of swirling. There's a membrane right at the bottom there. I swirl a little bit, it'll come off. Suggest swirling it before you try and take the top off.
The stopper is removed. Empty the PRFM into a sterile field.
Cascade PRFM membrane.
PRFM stiffness is matched to that of endogenous tissue, making it easy to handle with forceps and apply to a wound.